What's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this video, we got the updates and recaps, starting off with the updates. So if you haven't heard breaking news, we got 6 Air Jordan Retros for the holiday 2024 have been canceled. The main shoe that was coming out is the Jordan 5 Black Cats. Those have been canceled. Also look like an Air Jordan 3, the Air Jordan 6, Air Jordan 1 Low, Air Jordan 13, and the Air Jordan 1. All those have been canceled. Don't know all the names in particular. That's why I'm not going over this, but I will show you this. You see the picture as we're looking at it. All these have been canceled. We'll try to keep you updated if anything changes, but stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to this channel, Sneakerheads. So moving on to the Jordan updates. These shoes that came out from August 4th through the August 10th. I'm going to go ahead and start off. So on August the 7th, we did have a Jordan 6 Paris Olympics. This was a women exclusive shoe, aka the Pearl. This shoe did cost $200, and unfortunately, Jordan 6s don't do well. And this shoe is sitting currently. All sizes are available. Sneakerheads. So if you want these, go and scoop them up. Go and check your local shops at Foot Locker, Champs. Pretty sure you can find your pair in there. If you haven't done so already, check out that short. They were standing here in North Carolina as well. But all sizes are still available. So moving on, what we got next, my brother?
So on August the 8th, we did have that Nigel Sylvester. This was a collab with the Jordan brand for RM, the driveway, the gray. Price point for those were 160. And according to Nike.com, all sizes did sell out. So nice work there, Jordan brand. All sizes did sell out.
Yes, sir. So if you want these, ironically, the prices were up, but prices are starting to drop now on StockX, so they are around retail price now. So if you still want these, Nike brand did a shock drop, and I think this is causing the prices to come down. So if you still want these, you can pick these up on StockX for right around retail price. Depending on your size, go and check those out, sneakerheads. So moving on to the next shoe, we had on August the 10th, we have an Air Jordan 1 High OG. This is that metallic gold. These did perform good in the past. However, in 2024, Air Jordan 1s are not living up to the hype that they were. And all sizes are still available on Nike.com. Still want these sneakerheads? All sizes are still available. What we got next, my brother?
So on the same day, did have Air Jordan 13s were supposed to come out, but they did not drop. They did cancel this shoe here in the States. They did drop them overseas, but they did not drop these shoes. These shoes were canceled.
Yes, sir.
Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.